Once there were two tiny birds named Chirp and Cheep. They lived near a big blue ocean. Chirp was a little scared of the ocean, but Cheep was brave. Chirp and Cheep made a cozy nest near the ocean. They laid some tiny blue eggs. They were very happy and excited to be parents. Chirp was very worried.
What if the big waves come and take our eggs?
He asked Cheep. Cheep was not scared. She said,
Don't worry, Chirp. We will protect our eggs.
One day, a big scary wave came crashing onto the beach. It washed away the bird's nest with their eggs. Chirp was very sad, but Cheep was brave.
Don't worry, Chirp.
She said,
We will get our eggs back.
Chirpy was surprised. How can we, little birds, fight the big ocean? He asked. But the Cheep was clever. She didn't give up. She called all her bird friends to help. Together, they made a lot of noise. They chirped and sang and flew around the big waves. The big wave was scared of all the noise. It got smaller and smaller until it was gone. The birds found their eggs and put them back in the nest. Chirpy was happy that Cheep was so brave. They were very happy to have their eggs back. They thanked all their friends for helping them. From that day on, they knew that even small birds can be very brave and strong. The moral of the story is, even small birds can be very brave when they work together.